So here we're given positive integers n and m, and we're supposed to define the two integers as follows. Num1 equals the sum of all integers in the range 1 to n, inclusive, that are not divisible by m. And num2 is the sum of all integers in the range, inclusive, that are divisible by m. And we're supposed to return num1 minus num2. So as an example, n equals 10, m is 3. So in the range 1 to 10, inclusive, they're not divisible by 3, are these, and then num1 is the sum of those integers, 37, and then h2, 37 minus 18. Okay, this is a pretty simple problem. So we can define num1 is equal to 0, and num2 is also equal to 0. And then our goal is to iterate through all the numbers in the range of 1 to n. So for number in range of 1 to n plus 1, because we want n to be inclusive, we check to see if the number has a remainder or not, and if it does have a remainder, it does not equal 0, then we add to number 1, because number 1, if I'm correct, it's not divisible, so we add 1 to number 1, we add a number to number 1. And on the contrary, we can just do else. Number 2 plus equals the number. Then we can return num1 minus num2. Okay, so basically what this does is it iterates over each number in a range 1 to n inclusive. It checks to see if the number divided by m has any remainder. If it does have a remainder, it not equaling 0, then we add 1. Then we add the number to number 1. And if it does not have a remainder, then we add the number to number 2. And we return num1 minus num2 for the instructions. Okay, cool. So it worked.